What's up, my YouTube friends? So let me tell you something to you. Tell you something. It's Harbor Freight, right? I got a Harbor Freight by me, right? I go to the store and buy some things, but here's a little tip: go in the back of the store to the dumpsters. Sometimes they throw out perfectly good stuff in the dumpsters. There's been times when I find stuff that I'm just not interested in. Little toolboxes, things like that. Other things that I'm just not interested in. I'm not going to use them, so I leave them. But I found this. This is like a $20 item. It's one of them clamps. It's an edge clamp. You put it like this, and you clamp it down. I don't know that it works very well, but it's a good straight edge. If you took all this crap off of it, it's a good straight edge because of the aluminum, right? That's a good deal. The other day I found this, a sawhorse. It was brand new. There's nothing wrong with this thing. I don't know why they throw it out. It's not broken. I don't know. I don't think they're sold individually. So, I have no idea why they throw it out. But the best thing I found was my floor. I found this floor there. It's enough to do 5 by 5 for me. I wish they would have threw out some more so I could have did like a 6 by 5 or something. But maybe they will another time. I can't buy it. They don't sell it, okay? I noticed this in their store, and they put all the items, machinery and things on top of it. It's a nice floor. What I like about it is it keeps my concrete floor clean because I'm a mess. You see all that stuff? That's from me. When I'm staining, painting, I'm a slob. But that was the best thing I found there. And like I said, I found other things. But I just don't take them because I have no need for them. I'm not going to use them. But if you have a Harbor Freight by you, go check their dumpsters. Good stuff in there sometimes.